Hello everyone. Today let us learn how to make a stencil at home. We get ready-made stencils in market. This is one way of using a stencil on a product. The other way around is when you can prepare the stencil on your own. So I will be teaching you how to prepare a stencil at home very conveniently and in a very easy and simple manner. So let's learn how to do it. So we get these kind of stencils in market. This is from Fevicryl. It has 3 designs in it. So we get these kind of stencils cut in plastic, a thickened plastic surface, and these are readily available for us to use, but not accessible to all. So let us learn how to do it ourselves. So the material that we need is a scissor, a paper, paintbrush, a sponge, fabric colors, and fabric. So let's get started. To develop a stencil, we will have to fold the sheet into half. Once in one direction and then in the other direction. After folding it twice, one and then the second fold, now we need to do the cutting for our stencil. So I have kept the folded edge on my right side and on the top side. So this is also the folded part, and this is the complete folded fourth fold. So this is on my right side and the 2 folds are on the top side. The open edge, this is the open edge wherein you can see all the 4 layers of paper. So let's start cutting this in a particular design form to get a stencil done. I'm cutting the center, trying to do it in a circular round manner. Now after that, I've turned it towards me. So again the folded edge is on my right side. You can either draw with the help of a pencil or you can cut directly as I am doing it in a particular shape like this. Then I'm keeping this edge here. This is the cut edge that I did right now. Now this is the other edge that has 2 folds, and now I'm going to cut it as well. For the design. So 2 cuts done. Now I'm going to, here are the 2 cut edge. Now I'm going to fold this into half. So it is a kind of a triangle, that fold that I've got now, and this is the open edge. So always have to do the cutting on the closed edge, never do it on the open edge. Let us now open it and see how the design has got developed. So it is a flower that I've got now. You can decide fabric, it can be plain or printed, where you exactly want the stencil to be replicated, where you want it to be printed. So I developed this sample on tie and dye. I want this stencil to be done on this. So simply I need to place the stencil on its surface, and with the help of a masking tape, this is a paper tape, I'm going to put it in one place. So as it is a paper tape, we can easily tear it with hand. So to make sure that it stays in one place and doesn't move while I'm doing the printing, I need to put masking tape on the sides. So here it is. Now after this, I'll get started with printing. So need to take a fabric color because we are working on fabric. So you can take any color of your choice. But because the base here is multicolored, so I would prefer taking a black color here, as this will fall out. The technique that I'm going to follow to color this textile here is dabbing technique. I've taken a sponge and now I need to put color on the surface of sponge, and with the dabbing technique I'll keep on pressing it onto the fabric. We need to take care that the textile is not folded. Fabric should not be folded while we are doing stencil printing. So you can either develop a stencil like I have done, or you can draw on top of paper and then you can cut the design outline and develop a stencil. Need to fill it up, keep dabbing until and unless the color gets transferred completely onto the fabric. All the corners need to be covered. Apply more color when needed, but not too much. Dab it again. Let's now open it up and see how it has come out. So we need to remove the masking tape. Here it is. This is how your stencil would get printed on the surface of fabric. You can use these stencils on various other surfaces as well, like you can use acrylic paints when you're working on surfaces other than fabric, and you can apply this on wood, you can apply this on plastic, you can apply it on MDF surface as well. Thank you.